Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use counter or skill shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of counter or skill shortcode. Animated counters can be used to display statistics or numeric information on your website, and that creates inattentions greeting dynamic elements that captures the attentions of your customers. Animated skill circles can be used to highlight your different skills and expertise level. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on counter or skill shortcode. You can see counter or skill shortcode settings and pop up here. POFO provide different counter or skill styles. There are 4 counter styles and 2 skill styles. Let me select counter style 1. Here you can upload custom icon image. Switch on this option. You can upload image here. Or you can select desired font icon from available list. Let me select this one. Enter counter number and title. If you want to use additional font for counter, then you can switch on this option. You can define addition fonts in Appearance Customizer panel. You can select your desired counting duration here. If you want to apply link on text, then switch on this option and then you can select link target to cell for new window. Add link on icon, counter or title. Let me select title. Here you can insert full URL with HTTP or HTTPS. Let me enter hash for example. You can select your desired link hover color. Let me select green color as link hover color. You can switch on off border using this option. You can apply your desired CSS animation style. Style tab. Under this tab you can manage different styling like icon size, icon color, border type, border thickness, border color, box background color, box hover border thickness, box hover border color. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of counter and title. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc. Italic font on off. Change font color, font underline on off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Go to Extra tab. In case if you want to customize the shortcode deeply, then you can insert unique element ID for skill or counter element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme style file also. Let me save changes. Let me set total 4 columns here. Let me centralize content using Style tab. Let me select Center Align and Alignment option here. Save changes and let's check preview. Wow, you can see counter is looking very nice with content and style inserted. Let me select counter style 2. Save changes and preview it. You can see counter style 2 here. Let's check counter style 3. Save changes and preview it. You can see counter style 3 here. Let's check counter style 4. Here you can select your desired icon or upload custom image icon. Let me select this icon for now. And there is one additional option for style 4. You can switch on off plus icon. If you are using 4 icons, then you can switch off it for last icon. Save changes and preview it. Now let's check skill styles. Let me select skill style 1. Counter number means percentage, so let me enter 65% here. Save changes and preview it. Awesome, skill style looking very nice. Go back to General tab and let me select Skills Style 2. Save changes and preview it. You can see Style 2 here. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.